tell you about my mother. Let me tell you about my mother.
You are in error. You are a biological unit. You are imperfect.
Shut, I'm talking to you.
Ex-cop. Ex-Blade Runner. Ex-killer.
Y'all can break out if you want to. We just gonna keep going till the lights go out.
I wanna marry a lighthouse keeper and keep him company.
A light that burns twice as bright burns half as long.
Well, there it is.
Let me just say that Rambo is the best combat vet I've ever seen. A pure fighting machine with only a desire to win a war that someone else lost. And if winning means he has to die, he'll die.
It's just a jump to the left.
Mozart.